Well, we got another mail-in repair job in the T. Mike's Vintage Outboard Shop. This one comes from Frederick in New Jersey. Frederick in New Jersey sent me something. Let's open it up, see what we got. Got a paper bag full of stuff. Got a Magneto plate. Let's see what's in the bag. That's some money. That's always good. Return shipping label. Oh, and I got a bag full of parts. Spark wires, kit, tune-up kit, coils, the nuts and bolts. I got a set of coils on the tune-up kit and all the parts. I got a disassembled Magneto, and the note says, "T. Mike, I sent this package to my old address in Robridge, and they sent it back to him. So he tried to get the parts and put together and broke a screw in the plate. Broke a screw in the plate. That's why I'm asking for the complete plate. So I'm going to send parts so he can fix Magneto. There'll be a return address in the envelope. Please fix the Magneto with the correct parts. I enjoy your videos and do not mind if you make the repair into a video. Thank you for your time. Fred West." Okay, Fred, so this video is going to be about the broken screw. The broken screw video. Let's see if we can find what he's talking about. Got a lot of screws on this plate. Got this screw right here, looks good. This one looks good. This one looks good. Oh, I think I see. Let's see what he's talking about. This screw that holds the cam roller. Yeah. See, this cam roller is held on by two screws. And it looks like this one, if you can see it, is stripped. So he broke the screw and tried to get it out and stripped it. So I've got the broken screw right there. I got to replace this plate or tap this and put another bolt on it. We'll see what we're gonna do, but let's get started on the broken screw Magneto. Bing! Okay, so I'm gonna try to save the Magneto. Here's the working screw. This is the one that's stripped. So I get up here and I check it, and it's a 10 by 24. 10 by 24 is the bolt. It is stripped. It won't go in there. Alright, so here's my 10 by 24 tap. Right, and it takes a 5/32 bit to drill. So I'm going to drill it out, try to get this bolt retapped where it screws in there, and we can save this Magneto. Won't have to replace the Magneto. Let's get to work on that. I tapped and threaded the broken screw. I got it threaded, so I'm gonna put it together. Well, there you go. Broken screw repaired. Tapped and threaded. Got it back together. So we saved the Magneto. Now let's rebuild it. Okay, there she is rebuilt. Now let's get her on the test stand and check it for spark. Alexa, lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, Lights on. As you can see, she's got good spark now. So, Fred, we fixed the bolt problem, gave her a complete rebuild, and she's ready to ship back to you. Bingo! Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Remember, save the hobby. Click on the link below and enter the free motor giveaway for the next Survivor motor. Survivor 1 has been delivered to Pardee, Wisconsin. Taking application now for Survivor number 2. Remember, giving them away one motor at a time. See y'all next video.